a new concept of chemical formula of the chapter atoms and molecules. In your previous class, you have learned the concept, that means estimation of molecular mass and molecular weight of different compounds based on their atomic mass. And also you have learned the concept of isotopes. We will recall the concept of isotopes once in this class. Isotopes, the atoms of same elements are having same kind of atomic number and differ in their atomic mass. Such kind of atoms or elements are called as isotopes. For example, I am writing one example on the board. It may be 1H1 and 1H2 or 1H3, 1 and 1H2 or 1H3. So these are all called as the isotopes of hydrogen. So how they form the isotopes of hydrogen? Then how we are going to understand the concept by taking the isotopes of hydrogen? It is once again very simple. See, as in the previous class itself we have discussed that the number present here, one, it is called as atomic number. So atomic number indicates the number of protons. Number of proton. So whatever the number present below the hydrogen, it indicates that its atomic number. Atomic number in the sense it contains whatever the number of protons. Then hydrogen is the element of the atom, and whatever the numbers which are present as a superscript, they are called as its atomic mass. So now atomic mass. So whatever the number 1, 2, 3 we are written on the board as a superscript, that numbers are called as atomic mass. Atomic mass in the sense it is the number of protons and also number of neutrons. So number of protons and number of neutrons is otherwise called as nucleons. Number of nucleons represents the atomic mass of a given element or the atom. So now this is the atomic number and this is the atomic mass, which indicates the number of protons and also number of neutrons. So by looking at the board, whatever the example I have given for you, so it contains same kind of atoms. That means hydrogen is the atom that is present in both the three cases, and same kind of protons. That means the atomic number of hydrogen it is same, but what is the difference we are observing on the board? It is only just difference in its atomic mass. That means in first one it is having atomic mass 1, in second one 2, in third one it is a 3. So how we are getting vary in its atomic mass means it is just because of the number of neutrons present in that particular atom. So atomic mass is nothing but nucleons. It is the total sum of protons and also neutrons. So we are discussing the concept of isotopes. That means the same kind of atoms. The same kind of atoms, it is the hydrogen, having same number of protons. So we are having 1, 1, 1. It is the same in all three cases, but differ in their atomic mass. So that means we are having different atomic mass 1, 2 and 3. Such kind of atoms are called as isotopes. So this is very, very important. The same kind of atoms are having same number of protons but differ in their atomic mass. Such kind of atoms are called as isotopes. So like this we are having different kinds of isotopes and we are using the isotopes in different fields. Take for example cobalt 60, it is used in treatment of cancer, and isotopes of iodine, it is used in the treatment of goiter, and isotopes of iridium, it is used in the identification of defects, especially in missionaries. And one more, isotopes of carbon, especially carbon 14 dating, it is used in the estimation of archaeological specimens. Like that we are having different kinds of isotopes and we can know the different kinds of isotopes with their applications. So after isotopes, the next very important concept is the chemical formula. So before going to know the chemical formula, we need to know some concepts related to the ions. So what is an ion? An ion is very important. So an ion, it is an electrically charged particle formed by adding the electrons or removing the electrons from a neutral atom. This is called as an ion. is electrically charged particles. It may be formed just by adding an electron or by removing the electron from a neutral atom, and we can get the ion. So for example, we are having Na. So Na, it is a metal. So if it is a metal, already we know. And one more, it is a chlorine. Chlorine, it is a non-metal. So if you are going to mention the positive symbol, so positive symbol as a radical, as a superscript, as a radical, as a superscript. So this is called as ion, and Cl minus, it is also called as ion. Then what kind of ions in the sense? If a positive ion is present, it is called as cation, and if your molecule or an element carries a negative charge as a superscript, it is called as an ion. So an ion can be formed just by adding an electron or removing an electron from the neutral atom. Then how we can expect the positive ion and a negative ion? See, if Na is a metal, we know that if it is having a positive ion, it indicates that it is having the excess of electrons. That means it is ready to donate a pair of electrons to the neighboring elements of the atoms. So that means it is having the excess of electron, it is able to donate a pair of electrons. Always it carries a positive ion, it is called as cation. And if a radical, it is having negative charge, this is anion, it indicates that it is having a electron deficient. It is in a condition of electron deficient. That means it is ready to accept a pair of electrons from the neighboring atom or a molecule. Hence it always carries a negative ion called as anion. So just because of positive ion having a sodium and negative ion from a chlorine, by the combination of these two, we can write a compound by combining sodium Na plus Cl minus, and we can call this compound as a sodium chloride. So this is a compound. So this is how we are going to write the chemical formula of a sodium chloride by having a concept of cation and also anion. Then how we are going to write the Na only first, Cl only at the last. Means there are few rules for you people to write the molecular formula of any given compounds. That's very simple. For example, if any molecule carries a positive charge over it, the positive ion always written in the first followed by a negative ion. So because of that reason only, Na is having a positive charge and Cl is having a negative charge. I wrote NaCl as Na first and Cl later. This is just we are having a rule that the positive radical is written at the first, then it is followed by the negative radical. Hence it is NaCl, that means Na plus plus and Cl minus. So like this we can write the different components also. For example, one more component KMNO4. So this is called as potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. Here K always carries positive charge, and permanganate NMnO4, it is a permanganate. Always it carries a negative charge as a superscript. Hence while writing the potassium permanganate formula KMnO4, always we used to write K first, later MnO4 minus later, because it carries a negative charge. And one more PCl3. PCl3. So the first P carries positive charge and Cl once again it is a negative carrier. So because of that reason only we will write P first, later Cl minus 3. So this is how we are going to write the chemical formula for different compounds based on their charges. So one more method is there to write the chemical formula of a different radicals just by combining their positive and negative ions. That is very simple, and that method it is called as crisscross method. So the method name is called as crisscross method of writing the chemical formulas. So this is a famous method called as crisscross. So already we are discussing the chemical formula of NaCl. We will take the example as it is NaCl. So while if you want to write NaCl compound, just we are having radicals. One it is the sodium, another one it is the chlorine. By using this, how you are going to write the chemical formula? Once again, that's very simple. So in the crisscross method, we need to know the number of molecules of the positive ions and also number of molecules of negative ions present in each compound. So after the estimation of number of molecules of each elements or atoms in a compound, then we need to know the valency of a different elements also. For example, so how to write the valency of a given compound? It's very simple. We are having different kinds of methods to write the valency. The kind of writing of valency we will discuss in your next chapter, chemical bonding. So here we will consider the valency of a different elements by a simple method called as. So first consider in a NaCl, how many molecules of Na are present? It is just only one molecule. And in a chlorine, it is also just only one. So how to write the valency? It is very simple. See, for example, Na it is a positive ion and Cl is a negative ion. As Cl it is having only one bond, so we can write the valency of Na as 1 and valency of chlorine it is 1 just by knowing the number of molecules present in the NaCl. Right. How you will write? So the method is called as Cl. So in the NaCl, how many molecules of chlorine are present? It is only one, so write it as only one molecule. And in NaCl, the number of molecules present Na. So here it is only one molecule, so write it as only one molecule. So by having this, we can write it as. So Na is only one molecule, so write it as Na, and chlorine once again it is also one molecule, so write it as only one molecule. So like this, by using a crisscross method, by combining different kinds of radicals which are suitable to form a compound, we can write the chemical formula. So after this, we will write one more just by taking the example of barium nitrate. Ba. The molecular formula of barium nitrate is the BaNO3. So, leave this compound, just take the radicals. We are having two radicals. One it is the Ba and take the subscript. So, don't consider 3 as the subscript because this is a ion, NO3, nitrate ion. So, this is whole we can call it as what? Nitrate ion. So, consider the subscript it is a 2. So Ba and one more ion it is the NO3. So this is the ion. So now it's very simple. In a barium nitrate, so the number of molecules of NO3 present here is 2. So write it as 2. And in the same compound, the number of barium ions are present it is only 1. So write it as only 1. So like this we can estimate the number of valencies in those ions by using this crisscross method. So now it is very easy to write. So Ba it carries positive charge. So write Ba first. Later NO3, O3. So how many molecules of NO3 are present? It is twice. So like this we can write the different formulas of any given ions. So one more, we can take one more as, say for example PCl3. PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. So here we are having two radicals, one it is the P, another one is the Cl3. As it is having only one and this is 3. So the valency of phosphorus it is 3 here because Cl, number of molecules of Cl present are 3 and the valency of chlorine it is 1, as phosphorus molecules present here it is only 1. So how to write? Once again it is very simple. Separate the ions Cl, right, and then so what are the number of chlorine molecules are present in this phosphorus trichloride? It is just 3, so write 3 here, and the number of molecules of phosphorus present here in this particular compound it is 1. So the formula can be P into 1, P, Cl3 into 1, it is the Cl3. So like this we can write the chemical formulas of different compounds by using a famous method called as crisscross method. Just to write the formula for any compounds based on this crisscross method, we need to know the number of molecules and also valency of a particular ion. By having this and by having the rules to write a chemical formula, one can easily write the any chemical formula of any given compounds. So I hope you understood how to write a chemical formula of a given compound by using this method, and also you understood the types of ions and also the isotopes and uses. And try to learn the concepts from your textbook. You are having different kinds of formulas to write by using this method. Try to write the formulas also. And if you are having any doubts over this concept, just have a call to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Shri Gurudev.